We'll guide you through how to fix Media Player not working in Windows 11 and fix problems and issues with it. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be super annoying as perhaps trying to go and use it, so make sure it's this full guide. So what you need to do is come to the bottom and click on search and go and type in Media Player like so. Go and right click on it and you want to click on App Settings. You'll go and get this pop up. Now what you need to do is go and scroll down and first of all just make sure you press terminate to make sure it's fully turned off and closed. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go and click repair and just wait for this to go across. After you've repaired it, you want to go down and then go and click on reset as well. Confirm your decision. You are going to be deleting all the data, but that'll be fine. Now once it's finished, you can go and close out of it and go and see if the problem is now solved. So you can click on search and then go and type it in, and hopefully now it's going to be working and the problems you were having with it are now fixed. If you found this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Have an awesome day.